Hey, designers, let's apply 3D rotation in After Effects. Take a new composition. 1920 by 1080. OK. Let's import the logo now. Right-click, Import, File. Select the logo. Import. Drag and drop it on the timeline. It's a transparent PNG. It doesn't have a background you can see here. Let's pre-compose it first. Name it Logo. And check this. Go to Effects and Presets. You can't find it, go to Window and click here. Search Shatter. Drag and drop it on the logo layer. Change View to Rendered. Go to Shape Properties. Change the pattern to Custom. Change Shatter Map to Logo. Now go to Force 1 and make Depth, Radius, and Strength 0. Go to Camera Position. Rotate Y-axis to see the side of the logo. Go to Lighting. Change it to First Comp Light. Ambient Light 1. Now to extrude the logo. Go to Shape Properties. Increase the extrusion depth. I'll increase it more. This is fine. Go to Texture. Change the side mode to Color. I am gonna give it a dark green shade. OK. Now make sure the bar is on the first frame. Add a keyframe to Y-axis. You can make the rotation value 0 here if you want the animation to start with the straight logo. I'll move the bar to 6 seconds frame and give it 359 value. Let's play it now. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.